Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to use personal hotspot on your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro Max. So first thing first, go to settings, click right here in that icon, then click on the personal hotspot. Now you can on or off allow others to join, so click on that, and now it's all done. Also, you can change Wi-Fi password. Let's see. It must be at least 8 characters, so click done, and now it's all done. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.